Okay, so let's talk eye creams. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wayne, aren't eye creams just basically moisturiser in tiny little tubes with much higher prices? Well, yes, but also no. You see, recently I've actually tested 2 different eye creams and both have been absolutely amazing. Now, what makes this one a little different from the others is it's got something tiny going for it. Now, this is the Y Code Advanced Well Kept Eye Serum for men only. You heard that right. This is a man's product. Now, at first, I didn't know what to expect when I tried this, but I've been dabbing it on my under eyes every morning like they are blessed. So what is it? It's an eye serum, first of all, not a cream, which is important. It is thinner, it is lighter, and it sinks in faster. So there's no puffy, greasy lids, sliding around, concealer, none of that stuff. More on concealer later. Now, this brand says that it targets fine lines, puffiness, dark circles, and urban fatigue, which I assume is code for looking absolutely knackered, like on a daily basis, kind of like me. So let's talk ingredients because that's where the beauty lies. Now, this is where things get spicy. So we've got caffeine in here, which helps to depuff and just wake things up. Peptides to pretend we're still 25, I guess. Niacinamide, because it's always a winner, it's such a great ingredient. And there's licorice root extract, which is lovely for, I think it's really lovely for brightening without irritation. And of course, no added fragrance, which means that your eyeballs will not be screaming at you. Plus, there is a hint of a tint in here, which looks amazing, by the way, underneath your eyes. It really makes a huge difference. Now, texture is very lightweight. Whisper skincare kind of lightweight. Hardly any shine. It just dries down and looks natural. Yes, by the way, pat. Don't rub, pat. Also, this will play really beautifully if you're using any other products on your face. No pilling, no sliding, none of that stuff. So is this eye serum actually going to perform miracles? No, this won't reverse time. But if you are a gentleman looking for an under eye cream and you want to look like you've been asleep since, say, 2024 and look rested, this might be the one. Because of the ingredients, because of the tint, this gives your under eyes a real fighting chance. Also, I love the packaging. It feels manly, which I quite like, as this is aimed at men. Now, would this work on women? Absolutely, of course it would. Give it a go if you want, but there's something quite special here, and this is their only product, by the way, which I actually think is really quite something. To me, this one earns a place on my shelf. It's a great eye cream / serum, and it just does what it says on the tin. And believe me, if you are a gentleman and this is your first time dipping into the kind of eye serums, concealer / hybrids, this is really going to do you well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.